you get napkins?
No.
Well, they're a little messy if you don't use them carefully.
I can only think about, like, the commercials that they have to, like, get every last drop of it, you know? Okay. You ready?
Wait, do you have a napkin?
No.
Do you have a piece of paper? Do you need this?
No. That was me making a multiplication check because I couldn't remember what, like... I don't know.
Okay.
Okay. Now, okay, I'm also really nervous for this one because they're, like, not cold and I don't know.
By the way, we can't edit, so if we do something dumb like this, this is real life. We can't take it out of the video, so you're welcome. Okay. I'm actually really scared. We were gonna get Jell-O, but the Jell-O looks even more disgusting. Ew. This looks like canned dog food.
Okay.
Stir it up.
Okay, ready?
It smells fine.
Yeah, I mean, it smells like artificial chocolate. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
I actually think it's pretty good. Just pretend it's not processed. Just think of like brownie mix, and then it tastes good.
Oh.
Yeah.
I made brownies today.
I saw them downstairs.
Well, I mean,
bonus. You can just get brown lipstick.
Am I Kylie Jenner? Wait. Wait. I mean, it's not terrible, but like, I don't really want to eat any more of it. I'm gonna rate it a 5.
I would say I'd rate it like a 5, but I know I'm still gonna eat those two, so I feel like I have to rate it a 7.
You got a little.
It's my lipstick.
Okay, now, I'm, okay. Chewy granola bars.
I'm not concerned about these.
I'm not concerned at all.
I'll still eat these like
still eat these. Okay. I will probably finish the whole box. Wait, they're so much smaller than I remember.
This is such a ripoff? Wait, maybe I was just
they're
smaller,
like,
so now they seem small.
Yeah, they're like actually really tiny. Okay.
One little slip.
Okay.
Nope, not yet.
1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah.
They're good.
10 out of
10.
Buy these. The s'mores. There's marshmallows.
And chocolate. And graham crackers. Like a s'more.
I want some s'more of these.
Nice one, babe.
Thanks.
Well, I'm gonna finish this later. Set that aside.
I'm gonna finish it now.
Now 2.
Oh my god.
Animal cookies, and I also still eat these a lot.
Yeah.
These aren't like the brand that. These were just like the Target ones, and there was a big box of them. And
we definitely wanted this size. They had smaller sizes, but
yeah. We decided we needed this many. Okay. Here we go. Okay. The only complaint I have about these ones is that they're not actually in animal shapes. They're just blobs.
Like, what is this? Can you tell me what animal that looks like?
Okay.
Wait, hold on. Okay.
1, 2, 3. I feel like the other brands were better. But it's still like a 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. I mean, look how cute this is. But the stickers could be placed a little better. Why are these all the way over here?
And the last thing.
Uncrustables.
Okay.
I only had these like once.
Ooh, I have these a lot.
Because
Ooh, they're still frozen in the middle.
it's okay. Ew. That's wait. It's really frozen in the middle.
I know. Okay.
It smells so
It
weird.
smells really weird.
I don't like
Well,
it.
1, 2.
I still have cooking now.
Oh. Need some water?
Okay. Wait, don't eat the frozen part.
The whole thing is a frozen part.
Okay.
It would just be bread. Ready?
Oh. Okay. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
What? I'm gonna chew it up with my hands.
I mean, it's good.
It just tastes like a PB&J.
But there's no crust. Did you just realize that?
That's why it's called Uncrustable. I didn't realize there was no crust. Because I always thought this was crust. But it's... P.S. There's no crust in Uncrustables.
So for all you crust fans, don't buy these.
Yeah. But if you're an Uncrust fan, then Uncrustables is the way to go.
It saves so much time. So then you don't have to like cut off the crust, you know? I mean, I'm an Uncrust fan, so I know this stuff.
I'm just a PB&J fan.
Oh, ow.
Oh, 8 out of 10. Oh, I don't say 8 out of 10 because like they come frozen and then you have to wait 30 minutes to unfreeze them. And when I think of peanut butter and jelly, I want it right then.
Yeah.
Like I don't have 30 minutes to wait around.
Okay, so thanks for watching our thanks for watching our video. Like and subscribe. Please subscribe.
Please subscribe. We need a lot of subscribers.